Hi all and welcome back to your channel. So I'm back at Anfield for my daily Anfield Road expansion update. Going to go over the pitch and have a look at that. There's a couple of things up. There's cherry pickers either side and there's the crane still looking inside. So I'm at a height, as I've just been taking photographs beforehand, so I'll put a photo on now before I just took one and flying over. Have a look at the pitch first, then see what's what. There we go, so that's ready for planting potatoes now. You know what, I'm going to get a picture of that. Bear with me 1 second. Right, I'm back. Yeah, that made a good photograph, that. So all the tractors are off now, aren't they? Let me just get an angle so I can see what this is doing here. You know what? Thought it looked wet. It's getting sprinkles. Yeah, the sprinkles are on. People had questions about the sprinkles, didn't they? On the eagle eye, have you spotted that there's little markers on the ground, not possible where the sprinkles are? And if anyone remembers my video of the tour, and I said, what's that little patch of grass? I think it might have been where the sprinkler must be. And someone did say that, it's where the sprinklers are. Someone also said it's for water bottles, so I think that could be, yeah, there's a little tiny square patch of grass where that would fit there. Right, they've turned off there now. Looks like the whole thing's been watered apart from here. So let's see if I can zoom in on that patch of grass I was on about. And it was about there, so yeah, that will have made sense. Yeah. Now, people said they saw yellow markers on the ground. If you can see them, there's one there. That's where the sprinklers are, apparently. Look like cones for doing training on, don't they? Or for doing training with. There's another one there. That's where the sprinklers must come off from. So well done, whoever spotted them. There's a couple of yous. And there's me just missing that one coming on. Yeah, so there we go. Yeah, that's what that little artificial patch on its own must have been, was the sprinkler. Okay. So what's this trailer for on the back of the tractor? Is that just raking the ground, is it? I suppose it makes sense to do it. Yeah, they come on the cop end now. And in front of the Annie roads. There's a tour just coming out. I'm going to zoom in to make sure it is a tour and not a photo shoot for it. Oh no, hold on. They've all got the same tops on. Who's this? You know what, it could be a football team. Or like a youth football team. Yeah, they got the tour guides set around the necks. It's funny how they're all taking a seat. Because when I done the tour, yeah, there's a tour guide there. when I done the tour, not everyone took a seat. You know what, I was hoping there was a player coming out then, you know, that would have been brilliant. Let's come round this way. Oh, that cladding's coming a lot. So let's have a look what these guys are doing. Yeah, it's the cladding getting sorted out up here on the shoulder span of that. Oh, look at these are brave, these. Oh, I didn't look at the look at that. That's good, that. No, it's okay. Yeah, I didn't have a look at the corner or the front span, so I'm going to go back and have a look. Still nothing on there, is there? No. Yeah, so nothing going on there. Still. But it does look a little different. Am I missing something here? Right, I'm going to bring it back around. Like that, there's people on the roof there. Nothing going on there. What are these up to here? Okay, let me get a better angle on that. Sorry, this might be going on a bit longer than I expected, because I haven't got round the outside yet. So I think we're still expecting the pitch to go down on the 12th, by the way. Can we see what's going on there? I'm zoomed into the max, so I'm not too sure. Don't want to get too low, I don't want to anger anyone. Yeah, I'm not sure what's going on there. Right, we're going to come round the outside now. I can just see them centre sprinklers that come on as well. Let me have a look at them. Yeah, right by the cone. So well done to everyone who spotted them, because I didn't. Even looking back at the video, I didn't spot them. So well done everyone. I want to thank everyone that showed me the love yesterday as well, but yeah, it was amazing. I had hundreds and hundreds of messages. It took me about 2 or 3 hours to reply to them all, but thank you. You know, I don't mind taking hours to reply to comments. I really appreciate every single one of them. Oh god, it's just too late again. The lift is going down. Yeah, no, I thank everyone showed me the love yesterday. It's brilliant. Really humbled I was. I wasn't looking for sympathy, by the way. It was how YouTube works. If something gets said, I tend to repeat it and get if that's what the general consensus is, and it turns out it's not what the general consensus is, so it's an irrelevant piece now. But thank you for everyone's input. We'll have a little look around here. Just felt a piece of rain hit me on the shoulder. Now, I had a feeling much wouldn't be going on because I am here at about 12:30. So it's around dinner time that I'm here. Hence why I don't think there's much going on the pitch. I think people are on the dinner. And on the outside, well, I can definitely feel rain, so I'm going to be another couple of minutes, and then it's not even spitting yet, but I can feel the odd piece hit me. Forever Stone's going down again. People wanting to get close enough to read them. If I get here of an evening, I will do. But I'm not going to get low enough to read them while people are working. Right, what's this trench for? I have no idea, so can people let me know what that trench is for? A lot of smoke and all of that then. It's just where it's in the brick, innit? Okay. What you can see, it's marked out to be. It's quite a big trench, isn't it? It's going all the way up here. Does anyone know what that's for? Let me know. Any construction specialist? Oh, there's two different places where they're laying the. I know 3 different places where they're laying Forever Stones now. Also, that's just the same as Thailand, I take it, innit? You know what? I feel a bit robbed. I thought them stones were a bit thicker than they are. Oh no, yeah, no, they're alright. Right, I can feel rain again, guys. Just checking my coat. Put another one down, mate. I want to see. I'll take the. Nice. You know what? I'll have a look when I get back home. Yeah, it's raining. Take my phone now. Right. Sorry to cut it short, guys. Well, it's gone on a bit anyway. But the rain's coming down, and I don't want to stay in here while it's raining. So, thanks for all the love shown to me yesterday. I've hit 12,000 subscribers now as well. Thank you everyone for subscribing. Okay, I really appreciate it. On to 13 now, so if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe. It's completely free, by the way, and I need to reiterate this. I know it's called subscribing, but you don't pay to subscribe. As someone said, they need to rename it, like a follow or something. Because when people subscribe, they think they have to pay a subscription. You don't. It's completely free to subscribe to my channel. Okay. So yeah, if you like it, subscribe. If you're new to the channel, please subscribe. Likes help me get the reach out there, which is proved because I've been getting a lot more likes than usual. So if you like the video, give it a thumbs up. It helps other people see it, and then they can like it and subscribe to it. Okay, and comments, as always, I'd appreciate it. I replied to every single one. Last night I was there for hours replying to everyone's comments. Okay, so yeah, I'll leave it there. The rain's coming down. As always, look after yourselves. I'll speak to you all soon. Bye now.